All right. Hello, how you guys doing today? So what's gonna happen is in this video, I am going to change the oil for my first ever bike. Well, kind of my first ever bike because I've had other bikes, but they weren't actually mine. But yeah, this is gonna be the first oil change I've ever done on a bike. So you guys could come and learn from my mistakes. Hopefully none, but hopefully everything goes smoothly and get this oil change done on this 2006 Honda CBR 600 F4i. All right, so for the start, let's get her going. Let's get the oils flowing, and I'm wrapping now. All right. Let it prime. Too loud. I'm trying to get it out of the garage before I suffocate myself. Let it warm up. Let the oils get going. Don't fall, please don't fall. Oh! Ooh, I got it. Let's check a rub. Let's check a rub. Let's do this. Exciting. Good. On this side, it's good. All right. She is in. Ooh, that muffler is hot. All right, so what's gonna be done is, I don't know if you could see it, but right there, that one right there, right in front of my finger is gonna be the plug, which I'm gonna have to take off. And let me get this up really quick. And the filter is right there. Actually, let me get this bad boy. And the filter, ooh, it's kind of dirty in there, but there's that filter that's gonna have to come off. So let's get this party rolling. Hello.
Would you be interested in a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Blizzard?
Yes.
Oh,
I will be.
Too bad, because this is Oreo. Not fuck with you, it's Reese's.
I appreciate. Oh, this is a Blizzard, huh? Oh yeah. Hard work pays off, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, baby. Oh, there we go. That one's a little tough one. A little tough one. So I finally got this panel off. Look how dirty it is. So I'm gonna kind of clean it up a little bit and try to completely get it off. So let's see how that goes. So I kind of ran into a little issue. My screws are kind of stripped. I don't know if you could see that, but right at the bottom there's these two screws right there, and they are both stripped. So I'm gonna take off the other side of the panel, try to fix that while I'm at it. So I'm gonna get over here, try to get this side off too. There's always something, but let's do it. gonna do is I'm gonna try to inspect the bike since it's open now. I get the opportunity to kind of look at everything to make sure there's no leaks, nothing abnormal. I'm gonna look around, make sure everything is okay. This is a good opportunity. If you have this open, you go ahead and do that. Don't judge me, guys, but look what I had to do because it's getting a little dark in here. It's getting a little dark in here, so I added an extra light. It's just so I can get this bad boy rolling. All right, so I'm gonna take this pan, put it underneath my plug. Is what's gonna have to be taken off. Take my socket. Oh, look at that, fits perfectly. Oh, that's tightening. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, there we go. It's loose. Have gloves on. See how it flows. Ooh, yeah. It's a little warm. It's exactly what you want. But it is dark. Oh, yeah. It's a good thing that I'm changing it. Comes with a washer. If it's not too bad, don't replace it. But I would suggest you do, because there's nothing wrong with changing it. You're already there. Might as well change this bad boy right here. But let me go get the right size for it. Come on, baby. It's in there. Oh, it's in there. Oh boy. It's tight. It's tight. I knew something like this was gonna happen. So I bought this thing right here. And this thing will grab the oil filter. It's an oil filter wrench, as you can see right here. So we'll see. Let me open it up real quick. Move this thing out of the way. Come on! Ooh, it's doing it! It's moving! Yes! Yes! Ooh! That feels amazing. And this is why you should have the pan right underneath it, because it's gonna leak. But also, this is why you should remove the fairings, because it will leak and you would probably have to clean it up. And this is just gonna make it a whole lot easier to clean up the headers, to clean up you know, your plastics or anything like that. Let's see how that looks like. Oh boy, look how dirty this is. It is so dirty. Just clean up right around these edges right here. Make sure the new filter will go on correctly with no problems. Okay, so this is the old washer. It's a little worn. There's a bit of a groove at the end. I don't know if that's how it's made or worn, but I have a new one here anyway, so I'm gonna put this on to the new bolt for the drain. The drain right there, that's where it's gonna go. Still dripping a bit, but I guess that's okay. Can't drain every bit of it. Now let's put this on. I'm gonna put some oil on it, a bit of oil actually, just so it doesn't seize. I know there's you could put anti-seize, but yeah, you know what? I'm gonna put some of that old oil on there. It doesn't really matter what kind of oil goes on there, as long as it's something to lubricate it. Okay, so that right there is a bit of oil. I got some oil on here. Should be good. Now, wipe my fingers real quick. Now, let's put this back on and make sure you're not misthreading anything. Make sure that it's going in smoothly. You're not having to push it in or force it in. Yeah. Now that is in. Now let me torque it down. Now that my bolt is in, the only thing I gotta do is come over here, take my new filter. There we go. Now that's open. Now you see where the slip is right here. Make sure that's wet, and also add some oil inside of it. Just put some oil inside of it, not too much. And I could show you right there. Some of that oil, let it go here. Oil it up. As you can see, I cleaned up this area pretty good. It's still coming down a little bit, the oil, but that's fine. You don't gotta worry about it. This is the new filter right here. As you can see, the inside's pretty crispy. Now, yeah, that looks so much better than before. Let's get this bad boy installed. First, I'm just gonna wipe this off. Make sure it's clean over here. And yeah, let's get this party on. Tighten it down, not too much. Just where it's getting tight. All right. That should be it. I don't have a torque wrench, unfortunately, but let's double check it's tight enough. Yeah, that's tight enough for me. That ain't going nowhere at all. And fingers crossed. Hopefully no leaks. We'll test it. Make sure nothing is leaking before I cover anything up. But look how clean that looks. Look at that compared to what it was. I am so happy. So with that in, and the drain plug is in. The only thing we gotta do is fill it up with some oil. Here's the first quart. By the way, this was $16 for a quart, and I'm going with 100% full synthetic motorcycle oil, 10W40, and this is what's recommended, and this is what this bike takes. So make sure that you're getting the right oil. Oh, this almost went bad. Oh, this is gonna suck. I'm gonna try to find a better funnel, and I'll be right back. One down, 2.5 more to go. Well, I might have to fill up a little bit more, but it's better better to do it later, because I'm not sure if it's already seeped in or everything, all the oil went in. So I'd rather just top it off later, just in case that I don't need any more. But look how clean that oil looks. Basically, this is the max, those two right there. That level would be the max, and it looks good to me. So let's put the cap back on, and that should do it. Get this. Yep. Put this down here. Put the cap back on, and yeah. That is how you change your oil for Honda CBR 600 F4i. I mean, this probably goes for a lot of other bikes also, not just the Honda CBR. They're all very similar. Maybe just taking off the panels would be a little different, but for the most part, everything should be the same. I hope this helped a lot. Check me out, guys. You know, go ahead, and if I did anything wrong, let me know. And maybe, you know, just comment down there, subscribe if you want to see more, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of things to this bike, and I want you guys to check it out, stay updated, and give me a holla. Peace out.